What up? Welcome to another video. Today we are seeing if Mother's Mag and aluminum polish or Eagle One Never Dull works better on your exhaust pipe. We have our Invidia N1 single exit on my 2015 WRX STI, and we got lots of rumble coming out of this thing, but I have been driving this car very diligently the last, if that's the right word, the last couple 6-8 months with this on, and I really like it, but we got something new, so that's coming soon, and we want to make this thing look pretty again. So the first thing we're going to do is admire how dirty it is and dull, which that's why we bought something called Never Dull, and we're going to see if we can make it look great. So we need to get the mud and dirt off it, so I'm going to get it with water, and we're going to scrub it down and then hit it with the polish. I wiped all the water off. I'm just gonna hit it with glass cleaner just to get any remnants off. Why not? This exhaust is all stainless steel, and so is the other piece, but the tip is riveted on titanium, and that's why you get the burnt look. So that's why the exhaust is cheaper too, because it's all stainless except for this part. Titanium makes it expensive. That's why the Tomei and such is like way more pricey. And then titanium changes colors because this was silver like this and matched, but then it turned yellow, and then it goes to purple, and then blue, and then if you heat it up past blue, it goes to white. So it goes from blue to white really fast. You gotta be careful. So if we were to reburn it and try ourselves, that's the stage of process that you would know if you're trying to burn it. We got it completely clean. Now it's time to tape it off and test the polishes. All right, so we're thinking the middle is gonna be our before section. We'll have one polish over here and one over here. There's Eagle One. I read the directions. Rub it on with the terry cloth, microfiber, whatever you want to call it, like so. Let's do this. We're gonna okay. We're waiting till the black residue appears. So we're gonna keep rubbing. It just says do not apply too much pressure.
You say to rub or to buff?
Rub. No, you can buff if you want, but if you get it by hand, it said rub it in and keep doing this until black residue appears. Which I'm not seeing any yet. There's some on the rag.
Oh, it is pretty shiny.
That does look pretty good. Oh yeah, look at the line right here too. Onto the Never Dull on this side of the pipe, and it basically says to pull a small piece of this out, like rivet it. Like that, kind of push it together, and you're gonna get this grease stuff all over your hands, and then you just rub it on. I'm gonna hit this edge because that's the most important first. Flip it over. Stuff smells kind of weird.
Smells like high end.
Yeah, it smells like it's gonna eat through something. The Never Dull is more abrasive.
Yeah, scratches. You can see all the scratches in that.
I might have pressed that a little too hard, but I mean, it didn't say anything on the directions, so. All right, Tanner, judge here.
Mothers.
You heard it from the man. It's Mother's. Yo mama's. There's no shine. Right here, Trevor. There's no shine like Mother's. Hands down, Mother's is better. It's super obvious, all these little abrasive scratches. You can feel in the Never Dull, in your hands, it feels a little bit gritty, and this is more of a polished grit and softer. This is like actually like a hard grit, and like look at all these. Trevor took some clips already to show you like how gnarly that scratched it. So to use it on the Canon part would absolutely destroy it. So we're just gonna hit it with Mother's the whole thing, and we're gonna show you what the final product looks like.
Never Dull might be good for like some super caked on old exhausts.
Yeah.
And then hit it with a Mother's.
True.
Versus, so see this as like your 100 grit, and this has like your 500 grit sandpaper.
Right, and if you don't know what the difference is, the higher the number, the smaller the fine part of it is. All right, so let's do the whole thing real quick.
Any other normal person would just dip the rag into the jar, but Cameron's gotta apply by hand.
Cameron's not normal. We like it anyway.
We get it all.
He cares for his cars in a much more sensual way than others.
Oh.
There's probably like way too much on there.
Well, let me do this one more time.
Oh, he dipped.
He dipped.
Yeah, you guys were judging me. So.
We don't judge, Cam. This is a judgment-free zone.
Everyone cares for their cars
Okay.
differently, okay?
Hey,
Just bang your head, okay?
all right. We just did a little section on the titanium tip with the mother's metal polish, and it did leave some scratches. I hope you can see it on camera. It's unfortunate because it did just make it shinier, but it's got scratches. We found some polish.
McGuire's Ultimate Polish.
We're gonna see if that helps on a little area.
Not a huge difference.
This helps. It's like a cleaning aid, if anything. I feel like if you scrubbed it hard enough with glass cleaner, it would work the same.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching the video. We got the exhaust looking clean, only the stainless part. Be very careful with your titanium. We found out the hard way what not to do, so you guys don't do it. But we're gonna take a look at this Canon, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.